everyone and welcome back to my channel. I was recently contacted by MelodySusie to see if I'd like to review their 36 watt LED/UV lamp. So stay tuned while I do the unboxing and go through some of the features with you. So this is how the lamp arrived to me inside this brown box. Inside the brown box there was some bubble wrap and also the white box that contains the instructions, the lamp and also the power adapter. Now I just want to note that the power adapter only comes with the US plug, so I did need to use a plug converter to be able to use the lamp. The lamp has 21 bulbs which will cure both UV and LED products. There are also 2 sensor lights, one on each side, so that the lamp will come on automatically when you place your hand underneath. There is a 99-second low heat mode button. This is exceptionally good with people that experience heat spike when they're placing their hand in the lamp. There's also a 60-second button and a 30-second button. So if you were using a product that requires a 30-second LED cure, you would choose the 30-second option, or if you were using a product that needs a 60-second UV cure, then you would choose the 60-second option. There's just a couple of things I'd like to mention about the lamp. I did find that it was difficult to cure your 4 fingers and your thumb together. I felt that if I put my fingers in, the thumb was sort of left out. Perhaps fussing around with angles, you might get it right, but I don't think clients would pay that much attention to that. So it would probably be best to cure the 4 fingers together and the thumb separately. Another thing I found a bit finicky was the auto sensor. I found that when I was putting my hand in, it wouldn't necessarily stay on, and that would annoy me because I do like to cure my nails for a 10-second freeze before doing a final cure. So yeah, that didn't impress me all that much. A positive note is it's nice and light, it's not overly heavy. I found it was great for being able to pick it up and hold it over my thumb when I was curing that. Other bigger lamps, it's not as easy to do that. You can just grip this with one hand very easily. I use this lamp to cure Fusion Hard Gel and also IBD Just Gel Polish, and I've had no issues and it cured both products just fine. It's nice and small. It would be great to take away if you needed a lamp, if you were traveling at all. It would fit very nicely in the suitcase. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I don't know if I'd actually use this in my salon. I think it would cause a few curing issues with my clients. But yes, it's a nice little light lamp and I'll probably use it when I do my own nails. Thank you for watching my video. In the description box you will find a link for a 12% discount code which is running until the 20th of December. So please click on that link and follow the instructions to be sure to get your discount if you were looking to purchase one of these wonderful lamps. I'd like to thank MelodySusie for giving me the opportunity to do this review, and I hope that you've enjoyed it. As per usual, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will try to get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!